So hi guys, this is the day 7 of learning. Our journey will be continued. Okay guys. So this is the day 7 of making logs in English fluency. Okay. So basically what I did today, today now the time is 8:30 and it's become night. You can see outside. Okay guys. So basically today I have done a lot of work. Like yesterday I told you I have created I have started new challenge. In that I am learning AIML journey from beginning to scratch to advanced. Okay, so this is my 100 days roadmap and I have already started it. And today is the day 2 and I have worked for almost 3-4 hours and it was very good experience, and I am learning new things with from the basics Python fundamentals and AIML from this beginning. Okay guys, so basically I have started it. I have worked on it up to 3-4 hours. And then today is was an amazing day. Okay guys, so firstly I woke up morning as the same day, and today I didn't went to running, but then I started my day to improve my productivity. So I take a bath quickly and then I started my studying. Okay, so after such light breakfast I have started studying and keep continue. Then I have some work, so I went to the nearer village, and then I have done that my work there. Then I came back to home and started studying again also, and complete my that AIML roadmap hashtag day 2 challenge, because I have to upload daily on the LinkedIn post and on the GitHub for my professional account also. So this is the my I have to do this work on the daily basis guys. Okay, so I definitely I have to do it every day. Okay, so that's why I have done this up to 4 p.m. and then I went, I took some rest, and then took some meal. Then I went to other nearer town, my nearer to my village. Then I have some work there. Till now I was there. Okay, so I have done some particular work tasks related to like normal. Okay guys, so today as I told you yesterday, I will start something new. I started reading new words from the new dictionary and improve my vocabulary also and my English fluency also. So I didn't even like today return or write any kind of words. But yeah, I like to improve the communication. I'm speaking with you, I'm improving my fluency. Definitely it is the definite thing. Okay, it is the most important thing for improving the communication and the fluency. And the next thing is that sharing my over the day hustle, struggle, plans, and what I'm doing on the daily basis guys. Okay, and the next thing is I have to learn new words for improving my vocabulary and fluency and my good vocabulary in my mind, and for the better words of communication with the actual meaning and deep meaning communication in the English language. So it's just a basic thing. I have to practice daily, I have to work on it daily, I have to improve my vocabulary daily, and that's why I can be able to improve my communication in the English language. So I have started this, and this is my second, I have started this channel, and on this channel my main motive is to improve my fluency, communication, confidence in English. Okay, and it's only improve. I know that I consume all the different types of like content in the English, but I have to practice it. I am if you are consuming something, then you have to produce it. Like you have to practice it on the real basis, on the real platform. That's why you can become you can become able to grow in that field. Okay guys, this is the general concepts which you can apply to your life and experience it, and everybody knows about it. But difference is that at that moment when we took actions about something and we have done something work regarding it. Okay guys, so like take actions. I'm just telling you, take actions, guys. Don't make just plans, don't just imagine, don't just like everyone knows what to do, how to do, and there are lots of ways and lots of easy way. Actually, in a nowadays there are lots of difference of ways, is the easy ways and methods, and like a roadmap, everyone have a roadmap, just we need to keep building it, keep taking actions, and keep doing it. Okay, guys. So yeah, this is the basic fundamental things, and this is the two journey. I am after the 100 days challenge, this is my 2 days of like AIML journey. Okay, I will become like learning that, and it's more curious. I am becoming more curious and confident by focusing up to 3-4 hours deeply, and let's studying different types of concepts in that AIML, like artificial intelligence and machine learning. And guys, the interesting thing is that my fifth sem syllabus is of related to that AI. Okay, it is like AI, machine learning, cloud computing, and this type of syllabus I have in my fifth sem, and now I am starting my third year. Okay, because 2 year of my engineering is almost completed, and I am on now, I am on village at my on my vacations. So I have to start, and like I don't think like I have built something creative, something crazy till now, still now. Like in the first year, second year, I have started some content creation channel and Marathi, like making Marathi logs and reels, some kind of that. I know that I have some kind of skill related to that, and just I have to utilize that skill also. But I have to make something like a what we can say, something a particular strong fundamental for my career. Okay, so I am starting this journey. I have to become an AML engineer. I like to work on the different types of models in the AI, like generative AI, LLM, large language models, and generative AI. How can agentic AI work? Okay, this type of concepts I like to work on this. Okay, guys. And how like a self-driven cars works, and what's this process, how sensors can work on it, and this type of process are like technological, more technological. Like I have seen all the movies in the Marvel Studios, and I am the fan of like Iron Man, and this type of technologies I can imagine. And I at the time I had also think that like is there possible, is that possible, like I am also developing this kind of technology, like it's gonna be crazy, like how someone can build this and technology, and this is like okay. So it's something crazy which we don't see in your natural normal life, guys. Okay, so I love to work on it, I love to work on the self-driven cars and this type of things. So that's why I have choose this career, and I'm keep building it about it. In the next 98 days, I will learn more deeply, more conceptual, more broadly about the AI infrastructure, and I will definitely select my one branch, like one domain. You know, guys, there are different types of domains in AI industry. There are machine learning, there is deep learning, there is LLM, large language models, and there is data science, data analytics. These are the different types of branch, cloud computing, in like a domain in the specific in the AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So we need to pick up specific domain, and we have to work on the months, on the years, on the specific domain. That's why we can become expert in that field, and we will be able to like do excel, become 1% in that field. Okay, guys. So just we need to take actions and become more expert in this, and just growing in that field, become successful and live the life as we want to live. That's the basic fundamental of the life, and as early as possible you will decide your path and keep working on it, keep developing, keep building, and keep doing hard work on that path, and keep making, guys. Okay, so when you will make that, and you will live the amazing life as you want to live. So I have picked this path, and I will become an AIML engineer. After the 100 days I will become able to pick a one skill, and I will work on it daily. And after the 1 year, I think in the third year I will definitely in the last year is in just like I think from next to the 100 days I will become able to grab the internship on this field AIML on this, and pick a one specific domain. Okay, I will pick a specific domain, and I will keep working on it. I will grab the internship, like a paid internship, and this is the like growing field in my AI, and I will definitely get a job in the third year. And after the third year, almost definitely, because I will, after that 100 days I will keep continue this channel up to challenge up to 365 days, and within a like in a specific domain. Okay guys, so this is something which everyone wants to do but didn't able to do, because there is the like a difficulty or like obstacles of consistency, because consistency is the key guys. Hard work, everyone like everyone will able to do hard work. You will also realize that sometime you will feel so happy and you will do hard work, you know your potential is too much, but everyone have that like a what we can say, like that kind of wish to do work with the full of potential and to achieve with the full of self actualization, self realization. But we won't able to, like we didn't able to do it due to some outer factors like laziness and some internal consistency, and this type of all and other factors matter also, distractions also matter in that thing. But like we when we take some actions, like keep doing it on the daily basis, we took some work, like we know we are so hardworking, so excel in our work, and so smart actually, so hardworking and talented also. So we have to upgrade ourselves, we have to skill ourselves. Okay guys, so what I'm thinking, take a actions and take a roadmap, build a roadmap, take a plan and take a challenge up to 100 days or 200 days, this type of, and keep uploading, keep showing publicly. When you show public na, then when you think like these people are gonna to see my work, what I am doing, okay, so we will do it more like a more actively, more like giving our potential more and more to it, to becoming more work done, more gratefully and more good work done. You see guys, when you do something like people are gonna to watch your work, then you will do better and better. That's the basic thing, and you will, that's how you can build your success and you can achieve your goals easily and become successful in your life. So basically take an actions of the 100 days, 200 days, and keep making it, keep building it. Okay, so I have started this AML journey, and second is this YouTube channel of my English fluency. I don't like, I don't care if somebody is seeing watching my videos or not. I don't care buddy, I'm not editing it so much, just I am capturing it and uploading it on the daily basis. That's my basic goal for improving my communication fluency. I don't want subscriber, I don't want views, I don't chase the audience also. So that's my best, just I want to document my journey, I just want to tell what I'm doing, what I'm just, that's the basic points I just wanted to share with you. Okay, so because after the 100 days, like after the year, I will realize that yes, I have done all these kind of stuff things, because I am confident about it. I have work done on myself also, I have worked on my confidence, on my fluency, on my communication, on my self improvement journey. Okay, this is like a making yourself more stronger, more capable, more potentially achievable towards achieving your goals. So for that I am documenting this journey. This is the like two journey I will keep continue, and with that I will stay my academics also. And the next thing is I have that like a hobby, like passionate about content creation. So I will make the content like travel, when I am gonna to I will travel somewhere, and making some logs in engineering and this type of thing. When I see some content, I will definitely create it about it, and I will make some kind of creative content in it. And you know guys, when you keep doing something like doing some specific work, keeping this challenge 3 4 hours to productively work, and then next challenge you are working on English fluency, then you are working on content creation, your active habit, and just little bit of entertainment sometime when you get free time. That's the base, that's the simplest thing. And you will this when you do some kind of things now on yourself, on putting on some kind of goals, then you will be so happy guys. I'll definitely tell you, your actual self from inner side is like wants to do more and more. Okay, but you will not able to do because some kind of distractions, some kind of laziness, and this kind of outer but when you start doing it na, then you will feel so happiness, so kind, and so like I can't explain you that time of dopamine will release in brain, and you are achieving your goals, and achieving with your full potential and doing hard work daily. So this is the amazing thing which everyone likes to do. Okay, so keep doing it guys, start today, don't wait for tomorrow, because procrastination is the worst thing I have ever faced. Okay, everyone will face it, but you have to like you have to believe in yourself, you can achieve anything. You have to believe, when you believe on yourself, when you work on yourself, then everything is possible. Procrastination is just a factor of mind. Like you have to do it, then you will definitely do it, guys. Everyone have that bunch of potential, just you need to work on yourself. Just sit, meditate, work on my physics, build daily exercise, and just keep doing it, keep mentally strong, and just keep building, guys. That's what I want to share with you, and this is my journey. I'm just documenting it. I don't care what I said. I'm just documenting my this journey, my professional journey, my, and keep continuing my hobby also, my content creation hobby. Okay, guys. So I think this is the for the today, and what I learned. I have shared with you what my mindset on the today, what I learned on the all the whole at such I get time on from the today, like today's morning. So I just make a documentary, make a point wise grabs, like make a point wise portfolio for the 2 days, and I just share with you. Okay, guys. So I also like to learn communication, and like a storytelling, communication, sense of humor. This kind of things also this kind of things also matters in the daily and improving my self improvement. Okay. So I like to make a content also, so I will definitely make as such as time I will get, as such as content I will get on the Instagram reels, on the my main channel also, main channel Instagram also, and long term videos also. So as such as I will content get like traveling or comedy, entertainment or engineering lifestyle, this kind of, or any productive lifestyle, I will definitely make and keep making it as such as time I will get from the my remaining scheduled routine. And keep building, guys, keep hustling. This is the journey you have to enjoy a lot, and keep documenting it. You will live the life as you want to live on the next after the completing this journey, and after making such kind of like a productivity on your younger selves on the your 20s, you will realize it all the like entire the life again. Okay, guys, entire